boss, nalalapit na nga ang Valentine's and I'm sure naghahanap na kayo ng lugar o restaurant kung saan kayo pwede mag-celebrate. Tamang-tama dahil meron akong na-discovering isang restaurant along Maginhawa na merong 70s, 80s feel. Naku, medyo cheesy man, pero sigurado ako magugustuhan ito ng mga kadate nyo. Miss Carol, bakit nga po pa Bowl and Brew ang name ng inyong restaurant?
Kami ng husband ko fascinated sa bowl and we find na mas masarap kumain pag nasa bowl kasi mas nakikip yung temperature ng pagkain na warm for a longer time. And everything is served actually in a bowl pag kumain ka rito. And then brew, after eating, you either drink coffee or tea.
Ano-ano po ba ang pwedeng orderin na mag-date this Valentine's sa inyong restaurant?
We take pride sa namin Lokban specialties. We have Pansit Lokban, the famous Longganisang Lokban, at saka yung mga kinulob. We have our very special Keeping It Sweet for dessert.
Ano po ba itong Keeping It Sweet?
A dessert na meron siyang suman, meron siyang sorbetes, and meron siyang keeping flakes.
This is my first time to try it. Para siyang Rice Krispies. Balita ko rin meron kayong fusion ng Lokban, longganisa, na pasta.
We incorporated into a pasta, so para siyang fusion of Italian and Lokban. O yung Pansit Lokban is served with, or eaten with suka. Kasi masarap yung suka Lokban, talagang different siya from other suka, mas powerful yung taste niya.
Talaga namang it adds flavor to the pansit.
Yung chicken namin talagang yung lasa niya up to the pinaka-ilalim ng meat matitikman mo.
Wait, wala po ba itong sausawan?
Talagang hindi namin siya nilagyan ng sausawan kasi as I've said, yung flavor niya is talagang nandun hanggang sa pinaka-dulo ng meat. That's our shrimp.
Siyempre, kung gusto niyo ng pampatanggal umay, meron din daw po kayong iba't ibang klaseng atsara dito.
Meron kaming atsarang papaya, ubod, at saka ampalaya. Meron kaming cakes from Quezon also. Meron kaming famous yema cake, the caramel cake. May mousse, chocolate petit. So this Valentine, as I've mentioned, meron kaming photo booth where you can take photos with your loved ones. And then, meron din kaming raffle. We have giveaway dinner here and then that's for two. And then meron kaming donuts, special donut for them and umbrellas.
Wow, naku, parang gusto ko sumama sa raffle na yan. Kaya lang wala akong date. Pwede po ba kahit walang date?
Okay lang kung walang date. As long as you eat here, you celebrate it with us. We're your date at Valentine.
Ayan, dito na ako mag-celebrate. So ma'am, please invite our viewers.
Please visit us. We offer Lokban specialties, pasta, toppings, coffee, and more. So, see you here!
Oh, ayan mga boss. Sana naman natulungan ko kayo sa paghahanap ng place for Valentine's to celebrate. At ito po ulit si Carla Paderna for One Life.
Good morning, boss!